to solve this inequality, we need a factored form. And this doesn't look super easy to factor, so we're going to have to use our rational zeros theorem, where we're going to look at the the factors of 20 and divide by the factors of 2. So the factors of 20 are plus or minus 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And we're dividing those by the factors of 2, which are plus or minus 1 and 2. So our list of possible rational zeros is positive or negative, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, or 20. Those are all of those divided by 1. And then each of those divided by 2, 1 over 2, 2 over 2, which is 1, 4 over 2, which is 2, 5 over 2, 10 over 2, which is 5, and 20 over 2, which is 10. So there's our list of possible rational zeros. So we need to test some of these, and in the interest of time, I'm not going to go through all the different paucities. I'm just going to skip to what I believe is going to work, which is 4, I think will work. So we'll bring 2 down. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 times 4 is 44. Negative 39 plus 44 is 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. We add those when we get 0. So we found a 0 there. This tells us, of course, our factored form is an x minus 4, and then 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. And then we'd like to factor that. Okay, and so that's going to be, we're going to have a 2x and an x, and then a 1 and a 5 plus 1 plus 5. So this gives us then our zeros. Our zeros are x equals 4, negative 1/2, and negative 5. So we can plot these on a number line. Negative 5, negative 1/2, and 4, which breaks the number line into 4 different regions. And now we just need to check whether or not this thing is positive or negative on each of the intervals. So I'm going to use the leading coefficient here, which is a positive 2. And that's, of course, positive, so the far right of the graph is positive. And each of these zeros has a multiplicity of 1, which is odd. So it changes, the sign changes as we go through each of those zeros. So from positive to negative to positive to negative. And now we can state our solution. We're looking for when this polynomial is positive, greater than 0. So that's the interval from negative 5 to negative 1/2, union the interval from 4 to infinity.